Hey everyone, Tina here from Tina Hoy's Art. Hope you're all doing well. Super excited to be doing an unveiling, I guess you would be, of this box that was sent to me from Your Creative Studio. Your Creative Studio is an online shop where you can purchase subscription boxes, stamps, just a whole lot of goodies for your art journaling and card making, scrapbooking, any kind of paper arts. It's wonderful. I went on their website. It was fabulous. I've seen some other artists open their boxes, so you get a whole lot of stuff in it. I'm super excited to see what's in here. So I want to thank Amanda, and I will also put all of their links below. And let's get to it. So here's the box. I think it's like the TARDIS, it's bigger on the inside. So we open it up. It's a lovely stamp. I love packaging. It has a little thank you card. It says, thank you so much for your purchase. I hope you would enjoy this collection. And it has some sweets, some jams, a teapot, and a little girl. It says, bringing my love language. Goodness. Okay, so there's some beautiful tissue, which we will take care not to rip because, yes, you know what, let me get my little knife here and see if that helps me open it up. Not really. Scissors? We'll try something just to keep it all intact. Okay. Scissors did the job. Oh, there's another one here. There we go. So, whew, there's a lot of goodness. So I'm going to go through it. And so there's washi. There's a wood stamp. Another wood stamp. Oh, this vintage box. Let's see what's inside. So you know what? Let me take everything out and then we'll go through it. Another little box. A cluster of things. Rub-on sticker transfers. Some rolling pins. They're stickers as well. We have some, it looks like tissue paper. Stickers. Rubber stamps. I think it's papers. Okay, so I'm going to put the box aside. And where do we start first? There's a lot of stuff here. Let's start with the biggest items first. Oh, there's my cat. She's just going to keep meowing. So here we go. This is paper ephemera, and it contains 24 sheets. So it's 6 sticker papers, 6 vellum papers, 6 art paper, and 6 pattern paper. Okay, so this will look amazing in your cards, your journals, scrapbooks. Oh, goodness. So here they are. I love that scale, those pancakes. These are great. So yeah, those are the patterns and they keep repeating. So that's amazing. Oh, this is a good one. It's nice and sturdy. You can use it as a journal cover if you wanted to. So we'll put that away. Okay. Let's see this one. Now I know with subscription boxes, you never know what you're gonna get. So that's part of the fun. But there's so many options on the website. I urge you to, so this is tissue paper, almost waxy like tissue paper. And it has a cutting board, some bread, a chef's hat, but you know, that can go, you can use that in a multitude of things, a multitude of ways. We We have some awesome little, these guys are cute, some rubber stamps, right? So using your acrylic block, some spatulas, little jars, this fun chef guy with his mustache, awesome. I'm gonna go in for the creative. So let's open the wood stamp. All right, we'll save the packaging. You never know when you're gonna need a barcode. Wonderful. So this is a little hand holding up a tray. So that's that one. This one looks like a piece of delicious cake. So these are great for cards as well. I think I mentioned that. So yeah, this is a piece of cake. It looks like cheesecake to me, my favorite. Some washi tape. And I like the little pattern, so you know it's going to be a little plaid pattern of washi tape on the inside. These envelopes are adorable. There it is. Can you see that? Looks like a plaid tablecloth. So cute. Curious to see what's in this little box. So it has some Asian writing, and there's some pretzels and baked goods in the back of it. This box is cute also. So let's see what's in here. I think they might be stickers. Yeah, they say stickers on the back. So a lot of little stickers. These are great for junk journaling. So, I mean, you can never have enough stickers. Perfect. This one says time machine on it. And I think they're stickers as well. So let's open that up. So this, or maybe they're just tags. Let's see. Apparently, I think they're just tags. So they're little vintage tags. So many. Wow, fabulous. Love it. Love that one. Okay, we're going to go into the big box. And let's see what's in here. Oh, some vellum. These are all stickers as well, I think. Yep. So they're like vellum stickers. Let's see if you can see it better here. So you see? Can you see that? There we go. So there's, oh my goodness, they're lovely. I look forward to putting these in my journal. Look at that. It's coffee time. Coffee time is all the time, isn't it? Fabulous. So you get a whole lot of them. And then you have some bigger ones here. And these are just papers, I think. Yeah. So these are vintage papers. Ice cream. Wow. They're great for tags. Oh, these are yummy looking. Can you see that? Perfect for embellishing. So I'll put that back. And I love the box as well. Well, let me tell you, you do get a lot of items in here. So that's wonderful. These look fun. Tear that open. Oh, I love these. So there's tiny little stickers. There's some mushroom stamps. Wow, these are great. So I'm going to get that envelope again so you can see it. Check that out. They are fabulous. I love them. All right. Wow. Some beautiful paper to write on. Circles. I love the vintage feel of this little pack. wonderful. Beautiful for tags in your books, for cards. Like I said, can we have enough ephemera? Never. Never, never. And these are self-explanatory little rolling pins. I'm conjuring up ideas on how to use these. I'm not a very good baker by any means. So these are image transfers, and you get your little spatula. Maybe I'll make a card for my favorite baker in the family. So let's see. Okay. Wow. They are great. So basically you peel that. I normally cut it out, so I don't, because I'm pretty messy when I craft. And then you just kind of rub it on top. We can, when I use these the next time, I'll just post a video of how I'm using them, so you know where they came from, but I'll mention it again. And that's it. So that was a lot of goodness in that little box. So big thank you to Amanda for sending this out to me. I'm gonna have a lot of fun with it, and I'll touch base with you all when I create something with these little babies. Enjoy your day. Take care.